Welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and today I'm going to show you how to clean and protect your brand new iPhone XS and XS Max. Now right here at the shop, we got a brand new iPhone XS from Apple just to do some amazing Instagram and Facebook videos. So if you like us and you like this channel, go ahead and follow us on Facebook at Masterson's Car Care, and also follow us on Instagram at Masterson's Wax for our amazing live videos and our fun tutorials. Now we picked up this amazing phone for the video quality and the high-tech stuff that's really in this phone. It's going to be great for social media and streaming live around the world. So follow us on our Facebook and our Instagram, and you're going to see how we're going to do some amazing videos on this cool piece of technology. Now what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to clean and protect your iPhone X or your iPhone XS Max. Now if you picked up an iPhone X or a XS Max, you have noticed this thing is amazing. It has a lot of technology, and the whole thing is glass on the front and the back. That's a glass backing on the back of this phone and two cameras. So the whole area is glass and there's a lot of metal. How do you clean this phone? How do you keep it protected? We're going to show you how to do that today using our brand new Masterson ceramic spray sealant. Now everything we use on this video you can pick up right now on our website mastersonswax.com. Now if you pick up a brand new phone, the first thing I like to do is invest in some microfibers. We're going to be using some premium Masterson's microfibers. These are the softest, most plush microfibers you're ever going to use. So hop over to our website mastersonswax.com, use code YouTube for 10% off, and get all your best microfiber products for any phone you're going to use. Now on this type of phone, what we're going to do is we're going to use our spray sealant to clean away the fingerprints and leave an extra slick surface. Now when you have a phone like this that has a big screen, you want your fingers to really slide on the surface to get the best movement of all the gestures. So we're going to allow the ceramic spray sealant to go on the phone and then give us that extra slick feel when we're using the device. It's going to be amazing. Now if you have this device, go ahead and the first thing you want to do is turn it off. So on this phone, you got to press two buttons and then hold the home button and the phone's going off. Now I recommend if you clean any type of phone, go ahead and turn it off just before you clean it. That way you don't activate any buttons and you don't activate any apps as you're using it. So now go ahead and grab your microfiber. Now I like to grab my microfiber first and fold it into a nice square for me to clean. Now I'm going to apply the ceramic spray sealant to the microfiber and then to the phone. That way I don't spray any product in the actual hole for your earpiece or the plug on the bottom. Now this phone is actually full waterproof and dust proof, but the outside of the glass can get fingerprints and stains. So you want to make sure you protect it and keep it clean. Now what I'm going to do is put the phone down. I'm going to put the box to the side. We have an extra plush microfiber right here. This thing's extra thick and extra plush. You can pick this up also on our website, mastersonswax.com. And that way you can clean your phone, you can clean your device, your laptop. I love using this to clean our electronics. Now I'm going to take our Masterson ceramic spray sealant and shake it up. This uses ceramic technology to clean and protect. So it's going to remove the fingerprints and then it's going to leave some protection on the phone. Now I'm going to spray a few sprays just on my microfiber. And now I'm going to take my phone and I'm going to clean the phone front and back. So I like to clean the front. I'm spreading the ceramic spray sealant on all the surfaces. So the buttons, I'm spraying it on the outside of the phone, the rim where the metal is, and then I'm also cleaning the back of the phone. Now the back of the phone is full glass. So clean the phone, make sure that it's protected, and spread it on the surface. Now the Masterson ceramic spray sealant actually cures at room temperature. It cures in the air. So what you want to do is allow the air to cure, and then everything that's left on the phone is just the excess and what needs to be removed and leveled from the ceramic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold my Masterson's microfiber to a dry side, and then I'm just going to go ahead and buff this clean off. Now there we go. We removed the Masterson ceramic spray sealant from the front, and it really does look amazing. The reflection is incredible. I'm going to flip it over to the other side and remove the back side as well. There we go. I love this back glass. Now if you have a phone like this, you want to make sure that you keep the back clean because you have that camera right there. So make sure it's clean, and the Masterson ceramic spray sealant is not going to affect the glass or the lens on the camera. Really cool. So we clean that, and I like to make sure I get all the port areas and the buttons clean. There we go. That is incredible. There we go. I turned it on by accident, but it's starting to turn on again. But now the phone is truly really clean. And I love this big bottle of Masterson ceramic spray sealant because you can pick this up, you can use this on your phone, you clean your laptop, your phone, your iMac, any type of Apple device. It's going to work on all products, on phones and technology, on all types of devices. So if you have electronics, it's going to work on that as well. And it's going to work on your car. That's the best part. Now this phone is clean and protected. Let's go ahead and feel the screen. That's nice. And I noticed that, if you guys can see that on camera, it repels any fingerprints. So I'm sliding my hand on the phone right now, and it's reducing fingerprints on the phone. That is super cool. And I like that action. The feel of the Masterson ceramic spray sealant really gives a smooth feel on the phone. That's gonna be nice to use. Now we're gonna go ahead and test this phone out. We're gonna do some more Instagram live videos. If you wanna pick up our Masterson ceramic spray sealant, go hop over to our website, mastersonswax.com, and get everything to keep your car or your phone looking great. Now, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to click that subscribe button and check out all the other videos we have right here on our channel. If you want to check out some more live videos, remember, go ahead and follow us on our Facebook and follow us on our Instagram for more cool videos and more cool detailing tutorials right here from Masterson's Car Care. Now, once again, thanks a lot for watching, and always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.